Get ready for the game-changing Super Duper monopods from Benro. Designed with enhanced precision and carbon fiber construction, these 6-section monopods are versatile, portable, and will provide you superior performance. So capturing that perfect shot is a no-brainer. Combining twist locks with a CNC machined fast action flip lock, it's simple to fully extend and then fine-tune the height of your monopod with our newly added quick flip lock. The included wrist strap provides convenient, secure handling. The Super Duper monopods are available in multiple sizes. First up is the MSD36C. These feature a maximum height of 64.9 inches, folding down to just 16.6 inches. The MSD36C has a detachable rubber pivot foot with included spiked foot, providing enhanced stability while also providing flexibility. Next up is the MSD46C. These feature a waterproof exterior, an impressive maximum height of 72 inches, folding down to 17.9 inches. The round rotating foot features a built-in V-shaped bearing, so you can glide from shot to shot without lifting a foot, and it can be swapped out for the included spiked foot for added stability. The next model available is the MSD-PL46C, which features a built-in leveling panhead, providing multiple features and added precision to your shots. These also feature a waterproof exterior. This model has a maximum height of 62 inches, folding down to 19 inches, featuring 360-degree pan rotation with built-in pan scale below the QR plate. You can accurately and precisely track your subjects. By using the built-in leveling ball in conjunction with the attached bubble level, you can maintain a level shot no matter the terrain. Featuring an Arca Swiss-compatible Arca plate with 3-way screw for easy mounting and removal. Use it with any of Benro's Arca-compatible products. For more on these Arca-compatible products, check out our other product videos. The oversized ergonomic quick-release knob includes a safeguard feature for extra security of your gear. The sliding adjustable plate with scale gives you the ability to balance your camera, while a safety lock prevents it from slipping too far. This model also features the same innovative rotating foot with internal V-shaped bearing and included spike foot. Also included with this monopod is an extra long shoulder strap that can be looped on the monopod for carrying, shooting, and stabilizing. To attach the shoulder strap, one end mounts to the rubber feet and the other end attaches to the hook of the main body, and you're ready to move. All of these monopods include a carry case for even more portability. So grab your gear and let's go change the game. What are you waiting for? Let's go.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For more of the latest and greatest on camera support gear, subscribe to our Benro YouTube channel.